Hi guys, this is me Osama and welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the push lock coupling of Audi A3 2006 model. I have got this car in part exchange and I found one leakage from the heater hose coupling, so I'm gonna change it, and also I will let you know from where you can get this push lock coupling. I have tried a lot to find the video on YouTube for A3 Audi, but I didn't get a single one. So this type of coupling comes in Audi, BMW and Volkswagen. So let's see how it looks like. So here it is, and you will see the part number mentioned on it. It is different because I think it's the copy of the original one. When you remove the coupling, the part number mentioned above on it, so you will have to write the part number on the Google search bar and you will get some sailors who are selling it. I got it from eBay in £9. You can see the part number, but it is different from the original one, but the size is same. Inside it has one O-ring which is used to seal the water to come out. So let's see how to fix it back again. First, you have to remove the filter box. I already have taken out its connecting air pipe, and I already removed the bolts, mounting bolts. So I'm just taking it out, and I already have removed the coupling, the previous coupling which was leaked. The upper pipe, the upper one is the inlet of heater and the lower one is the outlet of heater, which comes to the radiator. I have to fix it back again. Now you can see it clearly. It is visible now. So what you have to do is, if you are a handyman, so it's easy to fix it back again. You just need to unlock it. If you want to remove it first, so you just have to unlock it by like this. You just need to get one screwdriver to pull it up, and then when you want to fix it back again with the new one, so you just need to push it back again and push it into the pipe. You can see in the coupling there are two grooves which are of different dimensions. The most important thing to fix it back is to make sure the grooves must be parallel with its correct position. Clean the pipe surface by emery paper and insert this coupling into the pipe in its lock position. Sorry to say, but I cannot show you because the area is too dark and I cannot control my camera from one hand. But it's very easy. You just need to insert the coupling into the pipe. Now I have fixed it back and I'm going to check whether the leakage is still there or not. So I'm filling the water with its correct level. Now the level is up to mark, and I'm going to see whether the leakage is still there or not. So let's check. Now the leakage is rectified. You can see no leakage is there now. So it's very easy to fix if you are a handyman. You don't need to hire any electrician, oh sorry, any mechanic, so you can get it back by yourself. For more informative and technical videos related to automotive maintenance, please keep in touch with my videos. Taking good care of you.